Let the music drop and the colors rise. An untamed jungle under honest skies. There's a rhythm here that's hard to fake. Every soul dancing in the great artscape.
Dumelang Sanbonani Absheni Yebo Khokhos, Gladys and Benjamin. Welcome to the Great Artscape, where creativity is unwrapped, challenged, and celebrated. Kinnakwadi, and today we are talking art versus algorithms. Gerabuma, machine versus man, or man versus machine.
Machine versus man.
Ne? Yeah. So joining me today is an artist from Momokhwase, whose work I believe wrestles these questions in real time. Gera diloza tonight. I get. So, Malume Dume.
Hello. How you doing? I'm good, thank you yourself.
I'm great. Drop us your address. Who are you on the art scene? Name, surname. Maybe we'll get Grela Mosadi somewhere.
Getting a Varto stage name.
Okay.
And you know me, I'm an artist.
Okay.
So yeah, that's what I can say for now.
Somebody give that the juices. Can't do one thing but the juices. How sharp. I would do how sharp, but it's fine. I'll just dive into it. So when did you notice that the digital world is becoming not just a tool but a co-creator in the arts? Yeah.
Ish. Well, I realized as an artist, when I create my beats or my music, I actually need those softwares, the PC, the FL, and all of that. So it's more of a collaboration.
Okay.
So it's more like an assistant to me in a way. Or for my talent.
Okay. Has technology changed the way you make work or the way your work is received?
Well, yeah. It's a little bit easier for me because makes shit faster, quicker, because imagine now, the left band, they go garaging, record the left band, they go.
Yo, that headache.
You're not gonna no. Well, what?
Yeah, so, that headache, I can imagine.
You see, I just get into my PC and then everything is there. So it's as simple as that. That's why it makes it easier and quicker.
Okay. So now I want to know honestly, from the deep down, ngapagati inside.
Deepest bottle.
I want to know, do you feel any pressure to adapt to the new digital trends or the tools that you get to AI just to stay relevant and alive? Like relevancy.
Not necessarily. As I said, it's more like an assistant.
Okay.
So I just feel like I can actually just use it to showcase myself.
Okay.
I can use it to actually market myself and all of that. I fully adapt to AI to create my work.
Okay.
Because I believe for art is more of a reflection, not you just focus on things you don't even know what you. It's about what?
Okay.
It's about storytelling.
Okay. It's about storytelling. Guys, it's about storytelling. It's not just creating, it's pulling something from somewhere very far deep down inside. Now I want to talk algorithms. I want to talk algorithms. I want that the system that dictates what we see and what we value. Now I want to know from you, how has these systems affected your artistic choices if at all?
Well, as an artist, it makes it more convenient for now because I can actually just get into my phone and grasp a few ideas or guys a music here or guys a new painting here or a new drawing or a new design or whatever. So you just use it to actually just have a foundation. Okay. Because you actually get to see shit that you never thought of. Because I mean, for instance, body AI image.
Okay.
Or when I'm talking like as a person, like I got draw pictures in here before.
Oh yeah, true.
Yeah. So you actually just have to tell the AI whatever. Draw this for me. And then
okay. No, I get that because like people are just doing it for everything these days. Even the corporate people are doing it.
Well,
even the corporate people are doing it. Like
but
even writing a proposal for.
It's actually fucked up though.
It's messed up.
It's about to lazy. It's about to lazy. It doesn't make you original. You actually just focus more on you don't even mean it. You don't know how to get info. What we are interviewing and how we sort of get info for interviewing you. We are going to know what we are now. Let's say I can interview and so and then you just go there. How prepared most of
so
it will have a buy, it's a lazy, it's a creativity. So that's why I wouldn't fully adapt to AI because if you don't replace all then like lose the creativity tag anyway.
So then do you feel that your work is competing with the machine?
In a way, yeah, because as I say for the music, finally the AI is for the beat, the portrait, whatever. So a computer around humans in a way. But I believe it can never beat us because how can you beat your sensei? How do you beat your
sensei? It's a ching chong cha situation.
How come? You can never beat your sensei.
Okay.
So yeah, it's that kind of situation.
All right. I believe that there's a certain sacredness to creating uliwan. So with that in mind, I want to know from you, your point of view, do you think we risk losing as a creative community something sacred in how we experience the art through these machines?
Not really.
Are you sure?
It's competitive, but I don't think we'd lose. Kowele is sensei, Mr. Miyagi.
Okay.
Mr. Miyagi.
So the sacredness shall remain.
So it shall remain because, as we said, it's more about emotions, it's more about daily chaos, it's more about daily experiences, it's more about the environment. So how does AI know anything about that? Yeah.
Connection and feeling.
You see, there's no connection.
Machines don't feel. Machines don't feel. Just saying.
Yeah,
just saying. They don't feel. So so basing it on not even that machines don't feel, but the fact that you are standing with the fact that machines cannot take away from us. What is your take on collaboration versus the resistance?
Tough choice. I believe it's more convenient we collab. I believe we must collab because Leno Yanagasheba podcast we are collabing. I'm just showing you, my friend. So it's not easy for in a way though. But the creativity comes from within. So it's a photo just that so whenever it's a sponsor quicker and easier. So it's more convenient if I collab. We cannot keep living in the past, man. 2025, we were to what we are left bend.
Okay. I am assuming, based on your answer, I'm assuming you've used AI to enhance your work. I want to know whether you have used AI to interrogate your creative process. Wait, Hassan Kwane.
Well, I get sometimes like I want to meta WhatsApp. I forgot his name.
That one.
That one. When I know what I is being developed, so they say Buddha. Our conversation yana le stupid yana one if I like like what's your ring?
Okay.
Okay. So you're like I think it's funny sister who check if like AI is actually smarter than us.
Okay.
In a way, because there's like a whole like the kids will be the AI and all
the
that.
result.
AI. Asimo. It's our talent after all.
Okay. So I now because of your comment, I have to ask.
You must.
I wasn't going to, but then I have to, so I'm going to. Do you think the current conversation around AI is missing something? Is there something somebody is not telling someone?
Ish. Well, yeah, I believe so. I believe so because it's more the TikTok, YouTube, all the videos and the surroundings of the AI. It's about when the robots, when I am so you're not supposed to be doing that.
You're not supposed to. Machines
Why are you doing that?
Don't have feelings. Why are you doing things you're not supposed to be doing? Why are you doing things you're not supposed to
Hey man. So yeah, there's something hidden about it. That's why I felt like let's get jump and it's about you're not focused. You must stay focused. You see.
So small doses.
Yeah, small doses. You start to make
oh. It's
a must. That one's a must.
Okay, no, we've seen that technology is not a villain, but it also isn't natural. So drop your comment, drop your thoughts in the comment section below. Like this episode, hit that subscribe button. Share this episode with one other artist who you think might need it, because God knows we need to have these conversations. If we don't, then who will? But before we go, we want to know, everybody wants to know what you got cooking in your kitchen.
I would be there.
Yeah, Joe.
Okay, well, officially, we have an album coming September.
In September.
In September.
Okay.
We have an album coming. That will be featured Romeo underscore.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll be featuring Romeo underscore and.
Wait, that's the whole name, Romeo underscore.
Okay. I got the
no, obviously get down dash. I get up. Also it's in underscore get dash. Line down dash.
Romeo underscore.
Yeah.
And lady vocalist it's a
okay.
And then but before that, I drop a few singles more. When I was creatively, check it about dropela the movie video and dropela my links.
How you learn to make that
you know. I got you, man.
I got you. Guys, we've had a wonderful time here on the Great Artscape. Malume Varto.
Yeah, man.
Malume.
Yebo.
I mean, what qualify or go with Malume? Or go with Malume? No, 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 title level. I got you when you did.
And I saw
it was wonderful having you at the Great Artscape.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
No, it was absolutely wonderful. Guys, I'm going to say it again. And I'm going to ask this question. And I'm going to pose it to you, my wonderful viewers. What's your take on art versus algorithms? In a time where we are ruled by likes and shares and virality. What is your
POV?
standing?
What's your POV, mate?
What's your POV on art and algorithm? Until next week. But before that, before I tell you until next week, before, I want to tell you guys, please catch our reflections. They're coming out. We have reflections on a weekly basis. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you know. You'll find them, don't worry. It depends on how I feel. Sometimes we need to sit down and reflect on the things we talk about. And I'm going to tell you what I think about art versus algorithms. So, this has been the Great Artscape, home of the dreamers, home of the creative, home of people who believe they do not need permission to be called an artist, because art is given to all of us, and if it was given, it was given. It cannot be taken away. Guys.
Listen up, it's time to share the stories of artists beyond compare. The great artscapes where art meets life. Colors and beats cut through the strife. Painted dreams on a canvas wide.